Microsoft Excel is one of the top skills today's employers need. Help your students boost their Excel skills and make their resumes and cover letters shine to potential employers. Recommend SIMskills Badges to them. SIMskills Badges are short, online courses that teach essential skills in Microsoft Excel. Your students can quickly and easily access them through McGraw-Hill's Connect platform. The best part is, students can learn Excel at their own pace, in small, convenient chunks of time. They don't have to worry about deadlines, grades, or exams. They'll simply complete the course and earn their badge. And once they do, they can proudly showcase their badge on their resume or LinkedIn profile, showing potential employers they have in-demand skills. Help your students improve their Excel skills, enhance their career readiness, and increase their confidence, with no need to spend your time teaching Excel, tracking, or reporting. SIMskills Badges allow students to work at their own pace. There are 3 SIMskills Badges available: Foundational Skills for Microsoft Excel, Advanced Skills for Microsoft Excel, and Data Analysis Skills for Microsoft Excel. Your students can buy them individually or as a complete set of all 3. So what are you waiting for? Recommend SIMskills Badges to your students. Point them toward the link to SIMskills Badges in your Connect course and encourage them to get started today. SIMskills Badges. Learn Excel, earn badges, and stand out to employers.